welcome to the question number 12 of exercise 2.2 of class 8. Let us analyze and solve the question. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? We need to find each person's age here. So let us analyze. Three people are there of three different generations. First comes grandfather, then comes father, then comes Baichung. According to question, father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. मतलब पापा जी ग्रैंडफादर से 26 साल से छोटे हैं, younger, and he is 29 years older than his son, means Baichung. So the age of grandfather is dependent on father. Again, father's age is dependent on Baichung. Do we know the age of Baichung? Obviously not. So what we don't know will be considered as X. So we will consider Baichung's age as X. Because to know Baichung's age, there is no condition or relation been given. Let us consider the age of Baichung equals to X. So अब भी हो गया X. It's given that father's age is 20. Father is 29 years older than Baichung. So what will be father's age? If we add 29 with X, that will be the age of father. Father's age, father is 29 years older than Baichung. Therefore, age of his father equals to X plus 29. Now see what will be the age of grandfather. Consider the condition. Baichung's father, it is written there on the question that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. It means पापा जी ग्रैंडफादर से 26 साल से छोटे हैं. मतलब अगर हम फादर के एज में 26 ऐड करें तो ग्रैंडफादर का एज हमें पता चल जाएगा. Therefore, the age of grandfather equals to 26 plus age of his father. This is equals to 26 plus X plus 29. Now add both the constant terms. It will be X plus 5, X plus 55. So now we got age of all three. Baichung's age is X, father's age is X plus 29, and grandfather's age is X plus 55. Now see what further have been given in the equation. The sum of the ages of the three is 135 years. The sum of, I will quote it here, according to question, the sum of age of all three equals to 135 years. This implies X, Baichung's age, plus father's age, plus grandfather's age equals to 135. Now we will need to solve the equation in order to get the value of X. See, there are three X terms. So all three X's add up to 3X. Now we will be adding the two constant terms in the next step. This is equal to 135. It will be written as it is. All other things will be remain same after solving or adding x. So 9 plus 5 is 14. It is 84. 3 is present here and 84 is present. The number which is added will be removed first. So we will transpose 84 and it will be subtracted in the RHS. From RHS, from 135, 84 is subtracted. Now solve. It is 51. Now we will remove 3. It will be divided in the RHS part. So 51 by 3 is 17. So we got the age of Baichung, that is x, that is 17. We got the value of x here. Therefore, age of Baichung is equals to x equal to 17. Now we can find the ages of father and grandfather. Age of his father equals to x plus 29, that is 17 plus 29. This is 46 years. Age of grandfather equals to x plus 55. We have taken it x plus 55. This is equal to x plus 17 plus 55. (72 years). So now we have found the ages of all three people. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.